Stage dive, man, I got a lot of shit that's on my mind. Trying to find the perfect way.
To another video of me picking up another gun. Damn, got some stuff in my teeth. Eating some corn here. But yeah, I'm going to go pick up my Taurus TX22. I think that's the name of it. But yeah, I kind of bought a second gun because it was a 22. And you know about the ammo. The ammo. Let's go pick up this gun. There we go, here. Boop. I just picked up the Taurus, and here it goes. It's a nice pistol. The person that just signed off the documents for me told me it's one of the best 22s. And it's nice. It feels super cheap in the hand, bro. Not too much weight on it because it's, you know, it's a 22, but you know, polymer grip and all that stuff, like people say. But I don't know. The freaking magazines are also plastic. Like, it just feels very cheap in the hand. But there it goes. It's a nice, sexy pistol, like a Genius. But you know, it has this cable here. So, yeah, I'm outside of the gun place where I just picked it up. I'm not in some random parking lot. Comes with two magazines, a speed loader, and a lock, and the pistol. That's about it. $400 at the door here in Florida at the gun show. It was $471 in total. You know, because taxes. You know they love the tax on the weaponry, and yeah. This gun did not come with a case. I paid $400 out the door, and it didn't come with a case. I love it. I love it. Guns are expensive. Just take a quick look at both of these guns. This is my first weapon, SR9, and second pistol, 22, Taurus TX22. And bro, the difference is insane. Like, it's not like super big, but like, it's just like so much lighter. Like it I don't know, it just feels nice. I don't know why people don't carry, well, I know why people carry 22s, don't carry 22s, but this feels like it'd be like the fastest. Like a 22 feels like it'd be the fastest to deploy just because it's so light. And like, I don't know. But legit, it's just a nice, it fits in the hand really well as well. Like, this gun is, whew. So let's give it a weight test so you can see how heavy it is. Ooh, a typical black dude. He has a scale in his room. I freaking do eBay, guys. So about a pound. 1.1 pounds. Okay, 1.1. This one, almost 2 pounds. Like, the weight, you feel the weight. You feel the weight difference. This pistol does feel cheaper, but it fits well in the hand. And that trigger is, woo, that trigger is nice. Trigger, like, you feel the difference in the trigger, because I'm guessing because it's like, you know, look at it. It's thick as hell. It's a thick trigger. But yeah, damn, I see why people are addicted to guns like crack, man. This is quite, it looks cool. Look at that. Look at those pistols, man.
Today's the 10th.
That was 16 rounds. What the hell?
and subscribe. Like 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 and subscribe.